Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Just finished doing the brake fluid flush, the rear brake pads, and I went to put the wheels on and I saw the rust on here. So this one here I had to sand everything down. If you don't sand it down, what happens is the wheel will be seized in there. And so if the customer takes the car and have a flat tire one day, it will be very hard to actually take the wheel off, because this, when I took it off this morning, it was really hard. I used to had to use a rubber mallet to hit the tire off, even though the wheel bolt was already removed. So I had to do that. So before I put the wheels on, I have to sand all that down. That's the one I already sanded the rear one off. Look at that one there. It's all rusted. I mean, it's part of the service as well. So what we do is we don't just change parts and take the car away. But we don't just change the parts and give the car back to the customer. If we see something good, we actually just do it. So this is the other side. So just want to show you how much rust is in there. So I'll put some WD-40 later, and just to maintain the actual rear disc. Probably the next service, we'll do the disc go around. Right now it's all good anyway. So all right. Some cars in the workshop: 1978. 2001, 2002, 2004 Bentley 944 X6. Got a few in the workshop here. So we do a lot of European cars, and we do trucks as well. So the big truck there, big trucks, GMC trucks, we do that as well. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.